do you feel having blonde hair?
I feel like you.
Mine is dirty blonde, people. Yours is blonde.
Speak louder.
How do you feel about this? Camera around?
I feel like a princess. And I feel very special because I can see how many people love it.
Well, apparently when you were in the front, we were looking at your grandparents, how they were saying all these nice stuff about you. I was crying. I was literally crying. How did you feel about that?
She was crying.
That your grandparents were here to celebrate your birthday with you.
Oh my god.
You didn't cry, she did.
Oh my god.
I wouldn't take
I'm sorry, I'm a hard crier.
That's okay.
It's hard for me, like I cry inside, but it doesn't come out.
That's good. You
I
don't
feel
ruin
it,
your
I
makeup.
feel it. But I don't show it, it's there. Just know that.
You are so awesome.
I know.
Well, that's good. How do you feel? Like your family here, everybody.
I pushed
Why are you
you
asking me
Daniel.
those
Interview.
And it's just a
It's
camera.
gonna be on YouTube one day.
So?
Okay,
Even if it takes a whole hour like the other one.
Oh my god.
America, look at this.
Wow.
Oh my god, it's so squishy. I feel so good for some reason. Well, anyways. Sorry.
Do you have any brisk?
So you're 15. Wait, when is your birthday? What's today's date?
Today's the 20th.
June 20th, 2009.
Obviously.
Who knew we were gonna be in this year, you know? It's crazy. It's crazy.
Everybody in
Thank God.
2008 knew that.
Hey,
No,
Bona,
actually, they said the world's gonna.
where do you see yourself in 10 years? When you're 25, right? Yeah.
Dude, I don't know. I'll probably be in heaven by then.
Heaven. You're 25. Have kids.
I don't know. I'd have become this famous preacher. Somebody would have shot me.
Wow.
Just like Martin Luther King.
Oh God.
I'll be famous. I'll be famous by then. Just watch.
Just make
Justin Martinez will be all over the streets. I'll be like that one guy with the big hat for the Catholics, the Pope.
Lincoln? Oh.
I'll be like the No, like the Pope.
I am so stupid.
Yes, I know.
Well, I had a great time. It's about to be 9, and the party's still not over.
Yeah, I know. I wish this could last forever. What?
Huh? My comments?
Leave your comments down here.
Oh yes. Tell us what you think about this beautiful young lady.
And if they're bad, you get to see what happens. Oh.
Okay, so leave your comments, okay? And we'll talk to you later. Wait, one more thing. I do. Estelle, okay? Wait, that's cake. My bad.
Smile thing. You don't want this anymore on YouTube. Smile thing on YouTube. All right.
Okay, well thank you for everything. And just remember, this is my
This is
keepsake.
Paola's birthday.
Yeah.